Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving the app camera permission so it can read barcodes. Open the scanner or camera app set to barcode mode because this enables continuous focus and better decoding. Make sure the lens is clean. Small smudges ruin scans and waste time. Hold the phone steady about 4-8 inches from the code and center the code in the viewfinder. Once done, wait a beat for the app to detect and outline the barcode before moving to the next step. You now focus on framing and letting the software do its work. Center the barcode inside the guide box and keep the phone parallel to the surface so the algorithm gets a clean read. Slight tilt causes distortion. If lighting is poor, turn on the flashlight. That improves contrast and speeds recognition. Let the autofocus settle and don't jab the screen. Pause until the app highlights the code. Once the code is captured, the app will decode it and present the result or actions to choose from. You finish by acting on the decoded data. Tap to open a link, copy text to clipboard, or save product details to your list. If nothing happens, try moving slightly closer or farther, change the angle a bit, or enable the flashlight to improve contrast. If scans repeatedly fail, update the scanner app and your phone system. This fixes decoding bugs and camera drivers. As a final troubleshooting step, restart your phone to clear temporary camera locks and try again. Most issues resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.